Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.